Let's try these. Potato and mozzarella corn dogs. They're so little. Do you want one? They're so little. I might need two. I'm gonna microwave this first for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, it smells so good already. In it goes. I'm so excited. This will be my beverage of choice today. Done. Oh, that's good. And then now we wait. This is my hubby, everyone. Everyone thinks I abandoned you and live at my mom's.
No, I love it. She loves her parents. That's a green flag.
Do you feel abandoned and neglected by me?
No, never. Never once.
Never once? Love you. This is a seasonal truffle sauce from Trader Joe's. Look, we made a mistake last winter not to stock up and just like missed it for the whole year. So this year we're like, we're stocking up on these. Ah. It's so good.
Is that good? Looks so good.
I need kimchi. Let's find some moob. It's all leafy pieces on the top. I'm gonna take it off the stick. There's cheese in there. Let's put that in there. Done. I did finish it. Did you want a bite?
I do not.
You do now. Do you want to come say bye with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.